That was not what I was expecting. So I actually was trying to show you guys what's really wrong with my car, but I guess the battery died too because I have that bad of luck. But I'm gonna show you guys something today. How to start a car with a Lipo. And then I'll show you the problems with my car though. All right. All right, so you need one of these handy dandy little XT60 to alligator clips. You can make them yourself, or you can probably buy one on like Amazon with a male XT60. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this on first, not to the Lipo first, because you don't want to short it out and catch the Lipo on fire. Make sure you're on there solid. And we'll just put this right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you that it's actually not starting first though. The proof is in the pudding. Now, let's plug her in and see what happens. Oh, this was the... This is my life in a string of events. We'll be right back to connect this up. You need a female, by the way. A female.
Such a dumbass.
Okay, we're back. I just like soldered up a little freaking female to female. We're gonna redo this. Remember, connect to the car battery first. All right, here's the Lipo. We're gonna start her up and actually show you what the problem with my car is. You'll hear it as soon as it starts. And it'll start with a Lipo. So yeah, I got a little bit of a rod knock. So luckily I'm retiring the car and all that good stuff. Just fast forward on to what my vlog is actually supposed to be. All right. What's up? Yeah, so my car, my Honda is no good no more. So congrats, I got this new car. Check it out. Fucking awesome B-roll with my Mavic. Cue the footage now. Boop.
What's happening?
So, got this new Mazda, got my new car, I'm happy. I'm retiring my other car to the state. They're giving me some money, which is good because I can fix this, because I bought this for kind of cheap and I've been fixing it, doing all kinds of different work to it. I mean, the people hit a curb and it was in shambles. But I got this car working, I got all kinds of shit going on. We're gonna go fly with Mr. Goss and Russell Case, the boys, at a classic spot with the classic boys at a classic spot. We're gonna roll up to him right now. Cue the rolling up to him right now. Let's do that. What's up, dudes? What's up, bro? How's it going? Hey, guy. Ah! That scared the shit out of me. I was like, ah! I don't know why I use e-brake. I got it automatic now. Whoa, I got automatic. I got this light. Check this out. Check this out. Oh, it does that. It goes the other way. It does that. It does, yeah. Yeah, that's what that does. Ow. I shocked myself.
Hey, buddy.
What's up, dude?
Okay. You like your G, right?
Thanks, man. You like my little
Your
purple, my purple painted rims?
You're super dope.
I did it. Yeah, because I'm ghetto fabulous.
Truck gang.
In there, can you make it out with your GoPro?
What's Cliffy up to? Such a nice day.
Yeah, really got a lot better. Hadouken!
He whacked it.
Sounded like you landed.
Oh, whacked it.
Boy, I never seen two kids do so much damn whack.
Yeah, XT.
Oh, maybe. Hey, you gotta spin your battery.
Anyways, I'm gonna celebrate my new car by taking a flight and playing with some glass. Not breaking it.
Are you sure about that?
That's what's about to happen. All right. Let's fly.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. There are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a bigger house for the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruits free. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. Coconut, coconut, the coconut bark for the kitchen floor. If you save some of it, you can build a door. Now the coconut trunk, do not throw this junk. If you save some of it, you'll have a second floor. The coconut wood is very good. It can stand 20 years if you pray it would. Now the coconut root, to tell you the truth, you can throw it or use it as firewood. The coconut leaves, good shade it gives for the roof, for the walls, up against the eaves. Now the coconut fruit, say my relatives, make good cannonballs up against the thief. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I just take it right out the sky. All right.
I knew exactly what you were gonna do when you came out. I was like, ah, he's gonna grab.
Hey, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, all these guys, What Is Real, Russell Case. You're on Helicopter's channel. This is his video. I'm Mr. Gauss. Unsub, go sub.
Damn. And then there were us. We have What Is Real here. We have Mr. Goss. We're having a day. Russell Case had to take off for the day. I still haven't flown my 5-inch. I know. Haven't flown the 5-inch. And how am I going to do these awesome dive things and wall rides without my 5-inch? That's probably what you guys were all waiting for on this video. So we're going to freaking rip balls. Or other various sports equipment / body parts. We're gonna rip balls.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
It's time to get those wall rides and dive, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This episode is sponsored by Melon Dew.
Are you sure about that?
Delicious. That's all I gotta say. All right, I'm gonna rip.
Yo, what up, Cool John? Let's go.
P-Lo, time to bring the bass.
Yeah, he a marshmallow, but he think he tough. Bring me down when he bring me up, but I don't give a fuck. I'm at your local joint, I got a girly drinking my pinky up. A margarita cannot fail. Let away Hennessy shot fail. Once upon a time I fucked your bitch, that's my favorite cocktail. I failed my 9 to 5, but ironically so my stock sale. Went from walking down a dark trail to a spring day up in Scottsdale. I've been in the game since AOL, since dial-up, you got mail. Now I'm old school, cause I don't shop at Whole Foods and eat raw kale. I'm from the land where the summer don't fall in December. The hot tub 104. We used to put towels under the door, now we smoking in public in front of the law. Pressure is on, you crumble and fall. Moment too big, you don't want it at all. I'm one of the all-time greats. 1 minute left, I'm the one with the ball. And coming upon me, the summoning on me. The fuckery ain't really fun anymore. Coming for war with your company and taking more money than a Colombian lord. Woo. So young and reckless, shout out Bernie, he the one to get us. I'm gon' rep for the middle class and give a middle finger to the 1%ers. Gather round and grab a plate. I rip this beat to 10 pieces. To my sound, he done gravitate. Said that we could do it, but they didn't believe us. Everybody running their mouth, talking about how real they are, but you been the weakest. Say that you hate fake rappers and why you rocking with Slim Jesus. I spew the facts, here to bring the music back. I'm getting sick of boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. Cruising in my white 300, you ain't gotta ask who's in that. I ain't gotta say I'm wild, I've already proven that. It must be that time of the month, bitchin' cause you ain't popping enough. And if you get poppin', I'll gobble you up. My stomach's looking like Jabba the Hutt. Ben said you won't save her, that ain't impressing a player. I go solo and I know she ain't no princess, but I lay her. Should sin less and play more shots I ingest with no chaser. Then think about everything that I did last night. It's been messing my days up, but I'm mesmerized by life, specializing in dreaming. Gotta tell the devil, take a hike, I'm exercising my demons. Let's go. And she gon' shake it for them blue hundreds. Sonoma, Cali, ain't no question who run it. I took her home, but she got too blunted. She passed out in my bed, now I can't do nothing.
much power in a 5-inch? That's what she said. Well,
my bad, Mom.
never see it last
It
back.
was at this moment that
All
he
right,
knew
last back.
he fucked up.
A few moments later.
Got him!
Oh. GoPro facing the ground on concrete. That doesn't look good. You're still recording. Seize motor. Maybe. Yeah. That bell is like halfway separated. But a good day of flying, fun, and all that good stuff. You know, that's what it is. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, everybody. This has been an episode with Helicopter.
Wait, your prop's loose. Your prop's loose, don't do it. Come back.
That prop is done, bro.
Oh, that's our episode. So,
You're not gonna turtle, you're loosening that prop even more.
fun fact of the day, do not go full throttle power loop, big air style when you hear a loose prop. Check out what is real. Check out Mr. Goss. Check out Russell Case, he was here earlier too. You guys have a good one, we'll see you on the next one.
I've been in the game since AOL, since dial-up, you got mail. Now I'm old school, cause I don't shop at Whole Foods and eat raw kale. I'm from the land where the summer don't fall in December. The hot.
You guys see that? Do you guys see that? That's a Mr. Goss in the wild, level 19, fully evolved, dominant male in the flesh, taking pictures of his fairy drone in his beautiful flower garden. That's all I gotta say.
Sounded done gravitate. Said that we could do it, but they didn't believe us. Everybody running their mouth, talk about how rare they are, but you been the weakest. Say that you hate fake rappers and why you rocking with Slim Jesus. I spew the facts.